Subscribe to my YouTube channel Neeru Tomar and press the bell icon to see all my latest videos first. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very effective face mask for glowing and fairer skin. This DIY face mask has rejuvenated my skin, made it glowing, smooth and fairer. And it will feel like just have a professional facial at salon. So let's get started. You will need strawberries, honey, lemon. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mashed strawberries. This is the mashed strawberries. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. And lastly, I'm adding few drops of lemon and mix it well. Face mask is ready. Apply on your face and don't forget your neck area because it is equally important. Leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water. After wash your face, apply your favorite moisturizer. Only one application, you can see the difference. You can use this pack twice a week for best result.
I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any requested videos or queries, then please add it down in the comment section and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.